Good morning, world, and welcome. This is Chef V. Monroe, Birthing Change, Black Midwife Cooking. Just wanted to wish you all a good morning today. It's such a beautiful sunrise here, and I just wanted to share. I'm out here in the yard drinking some wonderful chicory root tea. So chicory root is the roots of the chicory plant that many black midwives actually drink. And actually black people drink in the South. Instead of coffee, they would drink the chicory root. So there's no caffeine, but it's bitter like coffee. So if you want to give up coffee, this is a good alternative. It's good for indigestion. It helps detox the liver, arthritis. Of course, it has minerals and vitamins. Always, it's a dark vegetable. It's a dark root, so there's a lot of good, interesting vitamins and minerals in it as well. So I drink mine without honey. I drink it plain, so it gives me that coffee taste. So I just want to say that today is a beautiful day, and just take the time to find something warm to drink and think about hope today and how wonderful you are and how you deserve the best. And know that in spite of all that's happened today, and so much is happening, the negative level, we still have to think of the half and half. There's always still the good. The hidden powers, the visible, the unseen, and the seen of the good energy out there that you bring and others are bringing. So hold on to the hope, the love, the healing, and find something today, this Friday, that will help you be who you want to be, and find something to laugh about, someone to love or hug that you know is safe with your mask on, or if it's a family member. And again, it's all about looking at today. A new sunrise is happening. It's a new day. The sun is just coming out, so it's quite beautiful over there with the trees and the birds flying through. It's just a good time to be grateful for what we have, and I hope that you find something good today to celebrate. So peace and blessings. Have an awesome day.